I've put so much M2 into it.
Oh, it's
I
down
think it's
in
down
the,
now. Yep. TPR slip. Right, yeah, I'm TPing here.
No, it's interrupted, I'm bleeding. Got no meds.
Right.
They're gonna script me down.
Do kit man, the girl skirt down the mall GK. Huh? Just hide.
Oh no,
It's fine, just hide. Do you not have walls? Right, I'm coming as fast as I can. You still alive?
Yeah.
How many is it? Like 5?
It's fucking like 10 of them.
Oh shit, it's across the valley.
I
I'm just
made
gonna
it.
enter
I'm
this
safe.
then.
I'm safe.
But are they chasing or holding?